Good morning, students. I hope you are doing your work regularly and going through the books also. If you have any doubt, ask through the campus care. I suggest you parallelly go through the book also because all these topics are very new for you. So go through the book also. So we have completed and plant tissue. Now we are doing animal tissue. Animal tissue is of four types, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Among that we are doing epithelial tissue first. So epithelial tissue means those tissues that not only protect the body from outside, rather it form the inner lining of the body organ also. So we can say that this epithelial tissue is a type of protective tissue. Now epithelial tissue is being categorized on the basis of the arrangement of layers, cell shape and functions. Among that arrangement of layer we have completed. So on the basis of arrangement of layers, epithelial tissue is of two types, that is simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue, I think you might be remembering that all I have completed in last video, that simple epithelial tissue means those tissues which are made up of single layer, and stratified epithelial tissue means that is made up of many layer. Example, skin. Now we will study about the category of the epithelial tissue on the basis of the cell shape. Among that already we have done squamous epithelium tissue. I think you might be remembering squamous epithelium tissue. That means in this the cells are fixed together like the tiles on the floor, and it is having the nucleus in the center. Now squamous epithelial tissue we have already completed. Now we will do cuboidal epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue, you might be remembering this structure, that there the cells are being fixed together like the tiles are being attached with each other. Nucleus is there, and one thing that all the epithelial tissue lie in the basement membrane. This basement membrane forms the lining between the epithelial tissue and the connective tissue lying under it. Now cuboidal epithelial tissue. The epithelial is made up of compactly arranged cells which appear cube-like in vertical section and polygonal in surface view. The nucleus is round and centrally placed. Microvilli may occur in the free surface for increasing absorptive area. Microvilli means the hair-like structure. Next is cuboidal cell is of two types, that is stratified and simple. Now you might have understood that stratified means made up of more than one layer and simple means made up of one layer. So this means tissue can be easily recognized because the shape of this tissue is cube like. Okay, so this shape, you will, when you will see this shape under the microscope, you will very well recognize this type of tissue. And nucleus, as we know that these are the animal tissue, so nucleus is round and centrally placed. Now location of cuboidal epithelial tissue. Simple cuboidal epithelial tissue means made up of single layer, is mainly found in uriniferous tubule, germinal layer of sex organs, thyroid vesicle, small salivary and pancreatic duct. Whereas stratified cuboidal epithelium is found on the inner surface of the large duct. Example, salivary, pancreatic, sweat, mammary gland and duct. Now function of cuboidal epithelial tissue. It helps in secretion, excretion and absorption. It forms the gametes also, and it helps in the protection also. Now see the structure here. This is the figure of the cuboidal epithelium. See, this cube-like structure is there which lies in the basement membrane. See, basement membrane you will able to find in each and every type of epithelial tissue. Nucleus is placed at the center. Now columnar epithelial tissue. As the name suggests, the column-like structure is there. So it is also known as the columnar epithelium. The epithelium consists of tall, columnar or pillar-like compactly arranged cell. The nucleus is oval and lies near the base. So this is the difference between the cuboidal and columnar. The first difference is that cuboidal is cube in shape, whereas the columnar contain the cells column in shape. And nucleus, in cuboidal the nucleus lies in the center, whereas in columnar the nucleus is oval and lies near the base. Microvilli may occur in the free surface for the increasing absorptive area. Now again, columnar epithelium is also of two types, that is stratified and simple. Now location of columnar epithelium. So simple columnar epithelium is present in the lining layer of stomach, intestine and their gland. Whereas modified columnar epithelium occur in the nasal and genital tract. In the nasal tract to help to push the mucus, and in the genital tract helps to move the ova or the sperms. Now stratified columnar epithelium forms covering layer of epiglottis. Now, function of columnar epithelial. It helps in absorption, it helps in mucus secreted by the goblet cells, glandular epithelium, and it also helps in protection. Now, see the figure of the columnar epithelial. See here, if it contain the hair-like structure, then it is known as the ciliated columnar epithelium. See, the nucleus is at the base. Here the basement membrane is there that separate the epithelial tissue from the underlying connective tissue. See here, these are the columnar cell. I think you must have understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the campus care. Thank you.